Hi everyone, Daryl Shue from darylsmarketing.com. Thanks for stopping by my Velocitii review. This is going to be a quick pre-launch review. The product's not quite live yet. It will be in just a few hours based on the time that I'm recording this, but it's not quite available yet. Velocitii is a new proven system for making daily commissions, starting in as little as 24 hours. It's from Mosh, Bari, and Jason Fulton. Of course, these guys are legends. I'm using some of their products. Matter of fact, I'm using one of Mosh's systems right now to generate some websites that I'm letting marinate for a couple of months and going to flip. Anyway, the product's actually launching at 9 a.m. on the 16th of October. It's, again, just a few hours from right now based on when I'm recording this video. What is it? It's basically a point-and-click software plus a proven system, and this helps really give you everything you need to make daily profits. You get a step-by-step video training. You get this custom software that's pretty amazing. 10 auto cache funnels. These are proven top-notch funnels. This is kind of the heart of this, along with the software. You get these proven converting products and the complete funnels that can make you literally up to like $450 on a single commission on some of them. These are not just any run-of-the-mill products. These are proven high-selling products that you can make affiliate commissions off of, almost instantly. You also get a case study that shows you how they went from zero to over $1,600 in a week. A couple bonuses, including a quick start guide and a VIP Facebook group and coaching. The Facebook group I'm actually in for some other products with Mosh, from Mosh, and it's pretty amazing. Some very helpful people there. In 4 simple steps, basically, you copy what they show you in the videos, and you have these auto cache funnels ready to go for you. You paste your affiliate link where they show you, and then you basically watch the push button software take things for you. They give you step-by-step training, several different good traffic training methods, all free. They do have a section on paid traffic as well from Jason, but they also have several, like 6 or 8 different free traffic methods that are proven to work that can help you get traffic. Now, step 4 is actually optional, but I mean, who's not going to do this? Once you have it up and running, and you just keep rinsing and repeating, because you're getting 10 funnels here. You're getting 10 high converting proven funnels that you can work with. You really don't need any technical skills or experience. You don't need a subscriber list, which is good for some of us like me. I don't really have a big list yet. I'm working on that. But you will be able to help build your list with this system. Don't have to worry about paid traffic. As I mentioned, they have several very good free traffic methods included. You don't have to create content, worry about SEO, spam your family with, stuff. Anyway. And you don't have to wait, because you really can make money in as little as 24 hours with this system and the software. So you get the system. It's this proven system, rinse and repeat, 10 included funnels that are, campaigns that are ready to go and proven to work. And you also get the software. This is cloud-based. You don't have to worry about installing anything or keeping it updated or anything like that. Now, it is on dime sale pricing. When it launches, it's going to start around $13, and we'll be going up with every sale. So you want to jump in kind of quick. I know I was not able to get it to a review copy of this soon enough, unfortunately. So I'm just going to grab it in the morning when it goes live like everybody else. And I will be doing a much more detailed review at that point, sometime within the next 24 to 48 hours. So subscribe to the channel and click the bell and you'll get notified. Anyway, to grab Velocitii and my bonus package. Now, you guys know I'd like to have the bonuses match the product that you're buying. I want it to be something that's going to supplement and complement what the product that you're looking at. So since I haven't had a chance to go through the complete Velocitii product yet, I've seen, you know, inside the members area, but I haven't had a chance to test the software and so forth. So I want to wait until I've done that to put the rest of the bonus package together. So I'll tell you about all that in the next video as well. But go ahead and click the link below. You don't have to wait on the next video. It's from Mosh, Bari and Jason Fulton, so you know the product's going to work. All you need to do really is just click the link below. It's probably going to be live by the time this gets up on YouTube, just about. So anyway, again, it's Daryl Shue, Daryl's Marketing. Thanks so much for watching my Velocity review. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, and you will see the much more detailed review after I purchase the product. I'll be putting that up within 24 to 48 hours, and I'll be going through the bonus packages, the OTOs. I know there's some upgrades that include things like some additional funnels. You get 10 to start with, which is really plenty to get started, but they have some upgrades that allow you to buy. You can get up to like 40 more, and then some other upgrades as well. I'll go through more of that in the next more detailed video. Again, thanks for watching, and see you next time.